Hi and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about what's the most important thing that you need to know before you design and build a newsletter template. So as you see on my screen, I have three different apps and we see on them the same newsletter, but it's different. So here and here it's the same and here it's a little bit different. And now let me come back to the most important thing, which is you need to know your audience and what they are using. For example, if your audience are using Gmail, this means that you need to test and build your template just for Gmail. For example, the animation here in the background is working on Gmail, and here it's working on Outlook, the new Outlook, but it's not working on the classic Outlook here on the right side. And as you can see here, the font size here on this template is different than on this one and on this one. Even the size of the images is different. And most importantly, the animation. So it's working in the background of all these templates, but it's not working on this template. And here the tables, they look completely different. As you see, this kind of border is not working here. The round corners are not working here. So before designing and building the template, you need to know the audience, and then you need to test your template intensively on different platforms. Like Outlook, the new one, and the classic one, Gmail on your Outlook on your mobile phone, and Gmail on your mobile phone. So you need to consider all these apps before launching or sending your template. That was all for today. Hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, please leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe.